Hello friends, welcome to N Universe 22. Firstly, subscribe to get the notification for uploading the videos on various topics of fluid mechanics. In this video, we will discuss about what is kinematic viscosity and units of kinematic viscosity. Firstly, what is kinematic viscosity? Kinematic viscosity is defined as the ratio of dynamic viscosity mu to the density rho of the fluid, and it is denoted by the Greek symbol nu, and mathematically it can be written as kinematic viscosity nu, that is equal to dynamic viscosity mu upon dynamic density of fluid rho. So it can be written as nu equal to mu upon rho. Now in SI units, nu equal to mu upon rho, and the unit of dynamic viscosity, that is Newton second per meter square, and unit of density, that is kg per meter cube. And as we know, 1 Newton, that is equal to 1 kg meter per second square. By substituting these value, finally we get kg per meter second upon kg per meter cube, and the final value nu equal to meter square per second is the SI unit of kinematic viscosity. And in terms of for getting the dimensions of kinematic viscosity, meter square, that is length square upon time. So it becomes, if length is denoted by capital L and time is denoted by t, then it becomes nu equal to L square upon t. It can also be written as L square t minus 1 also. And the kinematic viscosity does not involve force dimensions. Its only dimensions being length and time, as we can see, length and time, as in kinematics of fluid flow. And for getting the CGS unit of kinematic viscosity, centimeter square per second, here the length is denoted by centimeter instead of meter, and the term centimeter square per second is also known as Stoke, and it is denoted as ST. And 1 Stoke equal to 1 centimeter square per second, and 1 Stoke can also be written as, that is equal to 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square per second in terms of meter, because 1 meter square equal to 10 raised to power 4 centimeter square. So 1 centistoke or CST, that is equal to 1 upon 100 stoke, and that is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 meter per second, and the latter being referred to as stoke to perpetuate the name of the English physicist Sir George Stokes. And the kinematic viscosity for water, that is 1 CST centistoke, that is equal to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 6 meter square per second. And the kinematic viscosity of air, that is 15 CST, or 15 into 10 raised to power minus 6 meter square per second. That means from these value we can say the kinematic viscosity of air is about 15 times greater than corresponding value of water. So today we have learned about what is kinematic viscosity, what is SI unit of kinematic viscosity, what is CGS unit of kinematic viscosity. If you like this video, share among your students and friends. Subscribe to get more videos on more topics and Universe 22. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.